Bulvanaka Talofa Kiorana. My name is Bertrand and today we'll be making Fijian Roti. Roti is a bread that you can eat with any curry. What's good about this recipe is that you can double it to feed our big island families on a budget with ingredients you might have in the cupboard. So let's make some roti. So for this recipe you need flour, oil, salt, hot water and butter. So this needs about 5 minutes to prep, 20 minutes to roll and cook, and voila, you have your roti. Cool, so we've got about 2 cups of flour in here. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. We're gonna make a well, then put a tablespoon of butter inside. Then we're gonna add our hot water. And we're just gonna let that sit in the hot water so that the butter melts. Once the butter is melted, you wanna mix everything together. And then add the remaining hot water. Cool, so our dough is ready and the next step is to knead it on a floured surface. Just kneading our dough until it forms a ball. You want to make sure that you don't overwork the dough. Once it's incorporated, that's all done. Then we're gonna divide this equally into nice balls. And then we're going to lightly flour the balls and put it aside. So now we grab a rolling pin and we'll start rolling our rotis. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use an empty wine bottle. I'm gonna pat down the dough with flour and then evenly roll out circular shapes, flipping each side over as you roll. It doesn't have to be round, but you want to make sure that your roti shapes is big enough to fit the size of your frying pan. So now your roti is ready. You're gonna start cooking this. You want to make sure that your pan is on very high heat, and then you've got your oil and clean cloth ready. Just wanna lightly spread a thin amount of oil onto the frying pan, and then we're gonna add a roti. Once you see the bubbles forming, it's the right time to flip your roti over. So then we're gonna dip our cloth in oil again, and then we're gonna evenly push down on our roti. So the reason why we add oil with a cloth is that we only want to dampen the roti, not adding too much. So the second bit doesn't take that long. Once it's ready, you want to put it onto a clean cloth to keep it warm.
Keep on rocking.
So sometimes you get like really hard rotis. This is achieved through over kneading. Too much oil on your frying pan, or no love. Set. So our roti is done, and you can pair this with any curry that you like, or you can find one right here on Coconut, a Fijian chicken curry. Naka.